Here is my 42-inch Patriot Lighting Eros II ceiling fan. I don't know when it's manufactured. I actually can't remember when it was manufactured because I haven't taken it apart. I'm not going to take it apart. I'm just going to only take it apart when I take it down. But this is my Patriot Lighting Eros II ceiling fan. These fans are kind of junk. They don't blow any air at all, but they're fine. I just got this fan because I wanted a fan from Menards, and no, I don't have it in Menards because I live in Florida. I do live in Florida, but I don't have it in Menards, so I'm wondering how I got this fan. Well, I got this at Menards online, and it shipped all the way to through the house, and then until Mom was gonna come out and get something, and it surprised her, and then she put it on the dining room table until when I came home, I saw it there, and then I'm like, you know what? I'm actually gonna replace the Cheshire with this. So yeah. This kind of reminds me of a Harbor Breeze Armitage or a Mainstays Hugger, except those fans don't have pointy blades. But alright, let's get to the demonstration. Here's the light. Here's low. Medium speed. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.